Hello, my name is Jose Garcia, and I'm the Superintendent of Academy of Tucson Schools. The Academy of Tucson is a free public charter school. Since 1986, the Academy of Tucson has been educating thousands of Tucson's youth. The Academy of Tucson is comprised of 3 campuses: an elementary school campus, a middle school campus, and a high school campus. At the Academy of Tucson, we provide a faculty of respected, encouraging, and caring educators in a safe, supportive learning environment. We prepare students for a knowledge-based, multicultural global economy, and we graduate students who are educated, responsible future leaders, contributors to society, and of course, lifelong learners. At the high school, we have a full-time college and career readiness advisor who helps guide students on their path to college or any vocation of their choosing. Every student graduates the Academy of Tucson with a career plan. The Academy of Tucson regularly beats state averages on tests and has a 100% graduation rate. The education that you'll receive at the Academy of Tucson is top-notch. Our rigorous traditional curriculum and smaller classroom sizes ensures that every student gets personalized attention. Our middle schoolers can earn high school credit, and our high schoolers can enjoy dual enrollment programs through local colleges and choose from over 100 online courses. The number one benefit of enrolling your child at the Academy of Tucson K-12 is that you are giving them the best opportunity for future success.